Hi there, my name is Rodrigo, and on behalf of our team, we're super excited to announce Viva Translate's all-new desktop app. Besides AI-powered translation for 8 different languages, our users can now enjoy real-time AI co-pilot capabilities, as well as native integration with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet. Let's take a look. Meet Viva, your AI assistant built for real-time meetings in any language. Viva helps you by summarizing key points, identifying tasks, and recording questions during your conversations, making sure nothing gets lost in translation. Viva Translate is not just faster, but also far more accurate than embedded translation solutions. You can also count on our unique cross-platform integration. This means no matter your preferred app, Viva Translate is there, ensuring seamless communication. With Viva's language auto-detection, you can effortlessly switch between languages. Start a sentence in English, continue em espanhol, ou termine a frase em português. Viva understands and translates on the fly. After your call, the Viva dashboard offers a full transcript with comprehensive meeting highlights, available to all participants. Making follow-ups and keeping your team aligned will be easier than ever. Step into a world of effortless communication. Just imagine how Viva can change your conversations. Viva Translate is available today for free, out of the box for Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom.